Howdy, howdy, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you the breakdown of some of the P&L of the 2 days of 2.8% profit, exceeding all the markets today for Monday, August 30th, 31st, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Before I get started, if you want to know how I build these things, come on over to these are trading bots to achieve this success. Just check out quantlabs.net/DVD for our DVD. Do be aware that we are getting our USB keys next week, and it'll be a very limited supply. So go over to quantlabs.net/retire to get on the list to be notified right away of when those USB keys come in, and it's on a first come first served basis. Next up, the servers I'm about to show you, the returns I'm about to show you is part of the deep analysis of trading setup for the quant analytics service. We now have the ability where you could use our provided Python script to get live trades of what I'm about to show you and do the exact same thing and synchronize these trades with your crypto account, be it, well, preferably Binance, because that's where all this data comes from, is on Binance. So that is now available. It's been available a couple of days now, since Wednesday last week. So get in on it before I start raising the prices because majority of each day since August 21st, we've achieved pretty close to 1% along here, one losing day, and pretty well achieving what I want, 1% each and every frickin' day, 7 days a week. Okay, so let's talk about today and let's say the end of August, the 30th and 31st, those trades. So in my P&L log, let's see here, I can show you towards the end of the log, of course. So today was a very interesting day. Let's first talk about the 30th. So there were some fairly decent set of losses, but sometimes we get lucky on some of the positions. You can see here, I've been talking about XMR, Monero. It's been consistently profitable. It can be. Here we have a loser, but lately it's been kind of predictable. But there's some other ones that, like Ethereum, we got a little bit of return. Litecoin was moving quite a bit, but Litecoin has just not been working for us. Part of the problem is when you look at things like our weighted moving average, even though it's above 0.5%, we can still take on some losses like here with EOS and Chainlink. Same with Litecoin. Ethereum's been doing okay. But what saved us in the trade, here you can see we got a 0.25% return with Tron. Ethereum started to weaken, so these are very hard to know when they get in and out. And then you get another predictable trade of Litecoin of 0.2%. But I'm just looking for what saved us. This one right here, OMG, gave us a 0.76 return. That was stopped at 18.28. So we shut down, preserved our profit. We waited out for the next day. Now it got really strange today, August 31st. I will tell you, I was panicking with what I saw. Technically, we should have stopped right here at ONT, Ontology, 3 positions in at 10.11. Okay, so again, it's all about bugs. Knowing that we had this profit right here, which when you factored in the 2 other positions here, of this one of PAX, and I think that was it. No, and yeah, so we have PAX, and this one that didn't really trade at all, TUSDT. So you know when you have a really negative day, as I keep saying, when you have stable coin against stable coin, TUSD against USDT, US stable against US stable, and same with PAX against USDT as well. So those are 2 very quick trades that came in. There's actually a loss here on the PAX. Then Ontology did well, and I have not programmed the system to stop the trades. Okay, so in between each of these positions, I got to do my P&L on each position, which I'm not doing. I never thought about it. But then when you look through it, as the trades happen at the same time, the 10-11, 10-11, 10-11, and then shortly thereafter at 10-12, a pile of other trades came in. Here I could have stopped trading, okay? Like that, I would have stopped trading with a 1.9% return, which ended up being higher than what we achieved. But here, and that's why I always say, when you get your 1%, just stop. Just stop, because this is what happens. And this is in the same instance. We take a loss on this one on the USDC. We took a loss here on XRP. Okay, this amount right here. Then we started taking on huge losses. Dash 1.16, another loss. ICX 0.7. This is what killed us. OMG went down 2.55. Okay, EOS 0.66. We did get a little bit of a positive trade here with Bitcoin at a 0.25%. But then the following, no, hang on. Is that right? No. Then this trade came in. Doge, man, look at this. Massive loss, 3.2%. In the same time period, within the same minute, another loss, null. NULS, slight loss. And then another big loss. BTT, Theta, slight loss here. And it just didn't stop. BUSD, and we barely got a win until here at KNC at 1.31. But here's another big loss, just within a small time frame. Atom at 2.202%, down another 1.26 with Maker, which is rare. What else we got? ZIL actually returned something, 1.45. We got lucky here, 3.35. Okay, so let me just stop right here. So we took a pile of losses in the span of 10, 11 to 10:13 this morning. We were down. This thing was down 10%. So I shut it off quite literally at 10:13. I just would look, and I don't have any stop trading after a certain amount of losses, which I should also put in there. But then I ramped it up again just to take a chance. Let me show you something here. When you look at this loss right here, 0.43, I did exactly what I'm about to tell you. I ran part of the script manually and I just ignored all the rules. Okay? I took a loss that day down 0.43, and that was on August 28th, I believe. That was Saturday. So I thought, I'll take another chance, do the same thing. But look what happens. This happened at 15:23. We started getting positive returns, luckily. Ontology, 0.856. XRP, which is another rare move, 0.25%. REN, 2.32%. Okay, VET, we got 2.5%. Took a little loss on Maker again. EOS, 0.31. Slight loss with Bitcoin. A slight win with NEO. Okay, and then some more little losers with Ontology and XRP. But guess what? We ended up positive 1.6%. And I just said, no, I'm pausing everything. Take that win. But as I said, and this should be put in the system to check every single position that comes in, to check on that return. If I'd done that, we would be up 1.9%, not 1.6%, but 1.9%. So that's a fix I got to put in the system. Okay, I just want to make sure that's known. And we also got to keep everything short right now, like compact, but you can see how many days we're keeping here. So I'll have to figure out how to make everything compact to minimize the what do you call amount of time on each position. But to do that, if I'd done that check, that's the discovery I made, I would be up 1.9%. I just thought I'd put that out there for y'all and let me know what you think. Talk to you later. Have a good day. Trials and tribulations of trading.